Hello there, welcome back to my channel Sunshine Tejju. Today I am going to make a painting for Holi using cotton balls and watercolor. First of all, take a cotton ball and dip little bit into water and dip in color. Just dab with more pressure on the upper side and lighter at the bottom, making it darker to lighter shade. Use another cotton ball for next color and do the similar process. I am using red color here after blue. You can choose any of your favorite color. I like to use yellow after red because when they blend it really forms a very pretty color. As you can see, I am using very basic watercolor which is available in every home, so you can try easily. I am adding another layer from the half portion with similar process, darker on the top and lighter at the bottom, and with the same color cotton ball which I had used before. After applying all four colors, apply black on the top. Here you need not worry about darker and lighter shade, just fill the blank space with black. Here I am using silver glitter color for highlights. Now interesting part starts. Take a old toothbrush, dip in white color and spray on that black portion and middle portion. Be careful, don't spray too much on the colored part. Now using black color and a brush, draw 5 to 6 hands. Basically these are the hands of 4 children playing Holi and throwing colors. Here I am going to give one more important trick that is very useful. Just hit the red subscribe button to make it grey. Here we go, our Holi painting is ready. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share to your friends and family. And share your watercolor experience in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe.